Hi, today we will tell you about the Pembroke Welsh Corgis dog breed. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. The Pembroke Welsh Corgi is a small-sized breed of dog that is known for its friendly and energetic personality. They are also known for their distinctive short legs and fluffy tail, which makes them easily recognizable. Pembroke Welsh Corgis are highly trainable and make great family pets, as well as excel in various dog sports. Pembroke Welsh Corgis are small dogs that typically weigh between 20 and 30 pounds.